In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sign out of Chime. Whether you're using the app on a daily basis or just occasionally, knowing how to properly sign out can be crucial for keeping your account secure and ensuring that your personal information remains private. Let's start by opening the Chime app on your device. As soon as you're in, look towards the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find an icon for settings. It might look like a small gear or a menu, but it's usually easy to spot. Go ahead and tap on that icon to open up the settings menu. Once you're in the settings menu, you're going to want to scroll down to the very bottom of the page. The sign out option is typically located at the bottom, making it easy to find once you've scrolled all the way down. Now, tap on sign out. It's a straightforward option, but this is an important step because it officially logs you out of your Chime account. In some cases, the app might ask you to confirm that you indeed want to sign out. If this prompt appears, simply confirm your choice and you're good to go. After confirming, you'll be signed out of your Chime account. It's a simple process, but it's a good habit to get into, especially if you're using a shared device or if you're concerned about the security of your account. And that's how to sign out of Chime. With these easy steps, you can ensure that your account remains secure whenever you're done using the app. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more of our guides for all your app-related queries.